do de dum dee dee do dee do dum 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 do de do de do de do de do de do de do.
We are looking at this math problem. What is the value of 3 to the power of 60 minus 3 to the power of 59? Written like this: 3 to the power of 63 to the power of 59. Let's break this down. The little numbers up high, like 60 and 59, are called exponents. 3 to the power of 60, written 3 to the power of 60, means multiply the number 3 by itself 60 times. 3 to the power of 59, written 3 to the power of 59, means multiply the number 3 by itself 59 times. So this question is really asking, if we take a big number like 3 to the power of 60 and subtract 3 to the power of 59, what do we get? It's like saying, if you have 60 stacks of 3s and take away 59 stacks of 3s, how many stacks do you have left? The question, what is the value of 3 to the power of 63 to the power of 59? Step 1. Understand the expression. We have two exponential terms. 3 to the power of 60 means 3 multiplied by itself 60 times. 3 to the power of 59 means 3 multiplied by itself 59 times. But look, both numbers are powers of 3, and 3 to the power of 60 is just 3 to the power of 59 times 3. So, 3 to the power of 60 equals 3 times 3 to the power of 59. Step 2. Rewrite the expression. Let's rewrite the original expression using this. 3 to the power of 63 to the power of 59 equals 3 times 3 to the power of 59. 3 to the power of 59. Now both terms have a common factor, 3 to the power of 59. Step 3. Factor it out. When both terms share the same factor, we can factor it like this. 3 times 3 to the power of 59. 1 times 3 to the power of 59 equals 3 to the power of 59x, 3 to 1. Step 4. Simplify. We know that 3 1 equals 2. So, 3 to the power of 59x, 3 to 1 equals 3 to the power of 59 times 2. Final answer. 3 to the power of 63 to the power of 59 equals 2 times 3 to the power of 59. That's the full simplified expression. Now let's check the options. A 3 to the power of 59. B 3 to the power of 10. C 3 to the power of 58. D. None. Correct answer. D. None of these. Please make sure that you subscribe here, because subscribing to my channel will boost your math skills by 73%. Just saying.